Hello, today we're looking at the 51T vent mount. This is for the transit van and has a universal fitting to accept any of the 51T cradles for charging of various different devices. You'll notice the upper and lower are quite different. The lower has a half moon cutout and a quite different shaped profile to the upper section, which is denoted by a notch. To fit, first of all, we must remove the two securing bolts. Be careful when removing these, just loosen slightly and then finger remove, keeping secure and safe the locking washer that comes with it. Removing the upper section, we look at the vent itself. Before fitting, please ensure that the vent where the vent mount is to be fitted, and only this, is turned off. This means that when you're blowing hot air in during cold weather, that you're not blowing hot air directly onto the back of the device that's currently charging. Place the bottom of the vent all the way in, place in the vent mount, and you'll see it quite happily locates in between the joining plastics. Now push all the way in the vent mount itself and take the upper section. This is going to bite in at the top so the profile faces up. Locate behind the vent mount and join in between the plastics. This next part is the more interesting section, where you can see if you line up the hole right the way through, you'll see the thread. Taking the first bolt, finger tight in, then taking the second one, using your finger and thumb, you can get the holes to marry up quite nicely. Once you have in position, you can take the screwdriver again and join them up. Ensure that all four bolts are nicely tightened. The movement you can see is, as you can appreciate, this is a cut-out section of a van and is on a tripod. If I hold the base steady, you can see now the vent mount is securely placed. Taking a 51T cradle, we can now locate, slightly angle, you'll feel it connect into the first two upper lugs, reposition the whole mount and press down. Once you get so it's in location, press hard, you hear the click as it goes in. Take the SIG plug, place it in, and we're ready to go. Nice and secure, no vibration. To remove, to put into a different vehicle, take out the SIG plug. Simply push up using your thumbs at the top and your fingers at the bottom, and remove. Loosen the upper bolts, just half a turn should be enough. Undo. Again, ensuring you keep the washer safe. Allow it to fall forwards. Push in the top vent, remove the upper teeth, push the lower section, the bottom of the vent in, lift out, and the vehicle is left unmarked, and you have the vent mounts ready to fit into another vehicle. This is the 51T vent mount for the transit van with the universal fitting accepting any 51T cradle. Thank you.